After marathon grilling on Friday, the Central Bureau of Investigation has summoned Sushant Singh Rajput's girlfriend and prime accused Rhea Chakravarti again today. In her first grilling by the CBI, she was questioned for about 9 hours by the probe agency, during which she was asked 19 questions yesterday. India Today, meanwhile, has accessed the CBI questionnaire exclusively. During the grilling, Rhea was asked what happened on June 8th and whether she spoke to Sushant between 8th of June and 14th of June. She was also asked about Sushant's health and mental condition. She was even asked about whether she was in touch with Siddharth Pithani, Neeraj or Deepesh between 8th to June 13th. The CBI also questioned Rhea about her relationship with Sushant and how they first met and eventually lived together. The probe agency also asked Rhea about Sushant's doctor's visit and whether she was giving him any medicines or overdosed him, as claimed by Sushant's family. Rhea was also asked about Rhea's and Sushant's Europe trip. Pankaj Upadhyay there joining us right from outside the CBI office. Pankaj, any time from now, Rhea Chakravarti is set to arrive at the CBI office. A summons has gone out to her, second consecutive day, 9 hours of grilling yesterday. Today she's going to be arriving at what time, would you know?
That's right, Rhea Chakravarti could be arriving any time now. Before that, around 6 CBI officials have already entered this DRDO facility. So it's going to be another hectic day. And now Rhea Chakravarti, the prime accused in the case, was grilled for around 10 hours yesterday. Her brother Shouvik Chakravarti was also inside along with the prime witnesses. And she has been summoned today as well. And of course, we know that she was questioned separately by the CBI officials on various issues. Her statements have been taken down, and today there's going to be the second round of grilling, especially as now it's become pretty clear as to what the important pointers or what the important issues are on which the CBI is seeking clarity. And that, of course, is particularly 8th of June, that is the day on which Rhea Chakravarti had left Sushant Singh's house. As to what happened really that day, there are contradictions whether she had a fight or the couple had a fight or they didn't have a fight. Even if they did, what were the issues? Was it on account of the fact that the late actor had decided he was going to be shifting to the Kurg area for organic farming? Or was it because of the health issues? Or was it because of the fact that, as has been said in many fronts, that Sushant had insisted that his sister was coming over and that Rhea needed to leave? But her WhatsApp conversations with the Bollywood writer-director Mahesh Bhatt have been contradictory. At the same time, another issue has been about the European trip, as to what happened really there.
Absolutely. All important questions, which the questionnaire of which India Today has accessed as well. Pankaj, do stay with us.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.